Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aisyah Dulan Tialdini. I'm a student from English Education Department, Class B of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Faculty of Al-Udin State Islamic University of Makassar in 2022. My student ID number 20400122047. In this video, I would like to explain about the methodology and technique to teaching students. Human beings learn, use, and understand language, which is the basis for the development of teaching methods in language education. Psycholinguistic theories provide insight that help educators design techniques that are appropriate to learners' cognitive and linguistic abilities. By applying these theories, teachers can use effective strategies to inspire students, including those with cognitive challenges, to improve their language skills. For example, psycholinguistic inspired approaches emphasize scaffolding and interactive activities that align with the natural process of language learning and comprehension. First, natural method, introduced by Krashen and Terrell, 1983. This approach emphasized the natural ability to acquire language through cognitive process. Mirroring how individuals learn their first language, it emphasized immersive, organic techniques for language development without focusing on formal grammar instruction. Second, total physical response, or TPR. Created by James Asser, TPR combines verbal language with cycle movement based on the idea that first and second language acquisition involve similar natural process. This method effectively engages learners by utilizing their kinesthetic abilities and improve memory through action. The third, Suggestopedia. Developed by Georgy Lozanov, this method addresses psychological barriers to learning by cultivating a positive attitude towards learning and creating a relaxed, stress-free environment. It seeks to tap into the learner's mental potential to facilitate better language acquisition. Each of these approaches incorporates psycholinguistic principles to promote effective language teaching and learning. I prefer the total physical response, or TPR, method because of its engine and hands-on approach. By combining cycle movements with verbal instruction, TPR is especially beneficial for beginners and young learners. This method minimizes anxiety and increases memory retention through active cycle involvement. It mirrors the natural process of language acquisition, helping learners absorb new vocabulary and concepts more effectively. One of TPR's greatest strengths is its ability to create a fun, relaxed atmosphere that encourages active participation and builds learner confidence. In this activity, students cycle respond to verbal commands from the teacher that begins with Simon says. For example, if the teacher says, Simon says touch your nose, the students touch their nose. However, if the command is given without Simon says, learners should refrain from acting. This interactive and playful method integrates language learning with movement, increasing comprehension and engagement. The technique is based on the total cycle response, or TPR approach, which links language with cycle action to support comprehension and retention. First, listening, improve the ability to follow verbal instruction. Second, vocabulary, learn action verb, body parts, and other keywords. And the third, coordination, synchronizing speech with cycle movements. This technique is best suited for beginning learners, especially young children or early adolescent, as it combines fun and effective learning. Advantage of the technique. First, engaging and fun. It games-like structure keeps learners motivated and focused. The second, strengthens listening skill, encourage attentiveness and quick comprehension of instruction. And the third, enhances vocabulary retention. Associating words with action aids memory. Fourth, reduce anxiety, create a stress-free, confidence-building environment. And the fifth, promote cycle activity, keeps students energized and attentive during class. The Simon Says TPR game is an engaging and effective teaching technique that improves listening and vocabulary skills through playful cycle interaction. It is particularly beneficial for young learners and helps to build a strong foundation for language learning. I think it's enough for me. I'm sorry if in this video I have many mistakes. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.